Hello friends, welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about
Then minor cramps are also called as heat cramps. Minor cramps are also called as heat cramps. Minor cramps, there is prolonged exposure to heat or at high temperature. There is increased muscular activity with profuse sweating and dehydration. So because of this, the patient develops paradoxical cramps in the limbs and abdomen. So that is heat cramps. These heat cramps are relieved by rehydration.
thank you and thank you for watching.